Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Shadowban on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve Shadowban on Picsart app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of Picsart, and you can click. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data, because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. So in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.